Hi everyone, Terry O'Callahan here at Edwards Garage. Want to show you the Colorado Z71 Midnight Edition. It's a 2019 with 41,555 kilometers. So you got the projected helibeam headlamps, fog lamps, 17-inch blacked out rims. Of course, it's a Z71 off-road package. Again, it's the Midnight Edition. So moving along the side, corner instep. Does have a tri-fold tonneau cover, spray and box liner. Again, moving along the side. Rear sliding window. And next we'll go on the inside. So we're back here in the crew cab. I'm just going to show you that it does have the leather pointed gray and black seating with cloth. Cup holders. Does have USB ports throughout. And it does have the floor mats. They're molded Chev floor mats, and they disconnect in the center here for easy cleaning. So next I'll show you the front interior. Hi everyone, just want to show you the interior of the Z71 Colorado Midnight Edition. So it is two-tone, so the black and the gray. It does have all your power controls on the door here, so from your windows to your lock, to your mirrors. It does have a heated steering wheel, easy access to your controls. It is Bluetooth. Again, it has your settings here right on the steering wheel itself. Volume control in behind the steering wheel. Going over to the touch screen, so audio phone, so you can pair your phone up really easy. Apple CarPlay, Android, it's 4G Wi-Fi. Does have the settings. Again, your home button, so easy access to your screen, XM radio, your climate control, tow haul mode, your brake controller. It does have traction control. It does have the 2 high auto, 4 high, 4 low. Again, easy to shift into gear. Wireless charger, couple cup holders, USB ports. Does have the OnStar and your interior lighting here. So if you have any more questions, please feel free to give us a shout here at Edwards Garage.